Bagyong Emong update. Bumilis ang pagkilos ng Bagyong Emong at posible nang maglandfall sa Ilocos Sur o northern portion ng La Union. Huling namataan ang mata nito sa coastal waters ng Bangar, La Union. Magla-landfall sa Ilocos Sur o La Union ngayong umaga ang nasabing bagyo, base sa forecast track ng ahensya. Maaaring mapanatili ng bagyo ang lakas nito sa pangalawang landfall, dagdag ng ahensya. Bagyong Emong napanatili ang lakas nito papalapit na sa La Union Ilocos Sur area, mga lugar na kataas sa Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal Number 3, 2, 1. Napanatili pa din ni Typhoon Emong, COMI, ang lakas nitong 120 km per hour at bagsong 165 km per hour at nasa coastal waters of Bolinao, Pangasinan. Nakataas ang Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal Number 4, 3, 2, 1 sa mga sumusunod na lugar. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signals. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal Number 4. Wind Threat, Typhoon Force Winds. Warning Lead Time, 12 hours. Range of Wind Speeds, 118 to 184 km per hour, Beaufort 12. Potential Impacts of Winds, Significant to Severe Threat to Life and Property. Luzon. Northern and Central portion of Lonayon, Bangar, Luna, Balawan, Bacnotan, San Juan, City of San Fernando, Bawang, Agoo, Santo Tomas, Sudipen, Santul, Caba, Aringay, San Gabriel, Bagulin, Nagilian, Burgos. Western portion of Ilocos Sur, Santa Lucia, Santa Cruz, Tagudin, Alilem, Sugpon, Suyo. Northern portion of Pangasinan, Agno, Bani, Bolinao, Anda, City of Alaminos, Burgos, Dasol, Mabini, Sual. Tropical Cyclone Signal Number 3. Wind Threat, Storm Force Winds. Warning Lead Time, 18 hours. Range of Wind Speeds, 80 to 117 km per hour, Beaufort 10 to 11. Potential Impacts of Winds, Moderate to Significant Threat to Life and Property. Luzon. Southern portion of Ilocos Norte, Lawag City, San Nicolas, Sarat, Dingras, Solsona, Nueva Era, City of Batac, Marcos, Paway, Curimao, Bana, Pinili, Badok. Rest of Ilocos Sur, Rest of Lonayon. Western portion of Apayao, Conner, Kabugao, Kalanasan. Western portion of Kalinga, Balbalan, Pasil, Tinglayan, Lubuagan. Central portion of Pangasinan, Lingayen, Bugalyon, Infanta, Dagupan City, San Fabian, Binmaley, Labrador, Sison, Pozo Rubio, San Jacinto, Mangaldan, Calasiao, Santa Barbara, Mapandan, San Carlos City, Aguilar. Abra. Western portion of Mountain Province, Besao, Tadjan, Sagada, Bauco, Sabangan, Bontoc, Sadanga. Western portion of Benguet, Sablan, Mankayan, Tuba, Bacon, Kibungan, Kapangan, La Trinidad, Tublay, Baguio City, Atok. Extreme northern portion of Zambales, Santa Cruz. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal Number 2. Wind Threat, Gale Force Winds. Warning Lead Time, 24 hours. Range of Wind Speeds, 62 to 88 km per hour, Beaufort 8 to 9. Potential Impacts of Winds, Minor to Moderate Threat to Life and Property. Luzon. Rest of Ilocos Norte. Rest of Pangasinan. Northern portion of Zambales, Masinloc, Candelaria, Palawig, Iba. Rest of Apayao. Rest of Kalinga. Rest of Mountain Province. Rest of Benguet. Ifugao, Batanes, Cagayan including Babuyan Island. Northern and western portions of #Isabela, Cordon, City of Santiago, Ramon, San Isidro, Alicia, San Mateo, Cabatuan, San Manuel, Luna, Aurora, Burgos, Rojas, Quirino, Malig, Delfin Albano, Quezon, Cabagan, Santa Maria, San Pablo, Maconacon, Santo Tomas, Tumawini, Gamo, Ilagan City, City of Kawayan, Reina Mercedes, Nagilian. Northwestern portion of Quirino, Difun. Western and central portions of Nueva Vizcaya, Cayapa, Santa Fe, Ambagyo, Aritao, Bambang, Bayombong, Villaverde, Solano, Bagabag, Dupax del Sur, Dupax del Norte, Casibu, Quezon, Diadi. Northwestern portion of Nueva Ecija, Nampikuan, Cuyapo, Talugtog, Lupao, Caranglan, Gimba. Northern portion of Tarlac, Mayantok, Santa Ignacia, Gerona, Pura, Ramos, Anao, San Manuel, Moncada, Paniki, Camiling, San Clemente. Tropical Cyclone Number 1. Wind Threat, Strong Winds. Warning Lead Time, 36 hours. Range of Wind Speeds, 39 to 61 km per hour, Beaufort 6 to 7. Potential Impacts of Winds, Minimal to Minor Threat to Life and Property. Luzon. Rest of Isabela, Rest of Quirino, Rest of Nueva Vizcaya, northern and central portions of #Aurora, Dilasag, Kasiguran, Dinalungan, Dipakulaw, Maria Aurora, Baler, San Luis. Rest of Nueva Ecija, Rest of Tarlac, western and central portions of Pampanga, Porac, Florida Blanca, Angeles City, Mabalacat City, Magalang, Mexico, Bacolor, City of San Fernando, Santa Rita, Guagua, Arayat, Lubao, Santa Ana. Northern portion of Bataan, Dinalupihan, Hermosa, Morong. Rest of Zambales. Manatiling nakatutok sa Witwer Balita para sa bago pang updates, don't forget to subscribe.